Meaning of French and Saunders.
French and Saunders.
French and Saunders.
French and Saunders.
French and Saunders. French and Saunders is a British comedy double act comprising of Jennifer Saunders and Dawn French. The duo first worked together in the late 1970s and went on to create several successful sketch shows and TV series, including Absolutely Fabulous and The Vicar of Dibley. They are renowned for their sharp wit, satire and parody of popular culture, particularly of celebrities and TV shows. French and Saunders have been described as one of the most successful female comedy partnerships in history and have won numerous awards for their work.